Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is a new box to the channel, and this is the Culture Cakes kit, and this is the box. And this is, I think, basically just to explore your sweet tooth, to try snacks and foods from different countries. And this is what the box looks like when you open it. And we can see by the little pamphlet, it says, "Welcome to the Philippines." So, and it's just taped in the front. So I assume that everything in here is from the Philippines. So inside, which I will show you, gives you some information. And then the back is just some information about the Culture Cakes kit company, which you can get directly from their website, I believe, and they're also on Cratejoy, and Cratejoy is an awesome site to find any kind of box that you want. So we will reference to that. Just a little bit, I took a few notes since this is the first box that I'm doing on the channel, and I did receive this for review. And it says, each month experience a different culture with exotic ingredients, a matching cultured cupcake recipe, I cannot speak today, plus international snacks. They offer two actual kits. One is full size, which I do believe is this one, and it's $19.99 a month. They offer a mini snacks only box, which is $12.99 a month, and then they have a mystery box that is $17.99. And it does say shipping is free. They ship on the 4th of each month. So regardless of when you order it, I would assume you would have to wait until the following month to get it. Basically, you get to taste the world, and and it just open your taste buds up to different things. And yes, this does give you a little bit of hint as to what is in here. And we have these crazy little paper noodles, or whatever you want to call them. Let's see what the paper is. And this is to make tres leches cupcakes. So this is the recipe. And I will take a picture of this and post a picture of it if anybody is interested in making the cupcakes. If you can get the ingredients. I mean, it just looks like it's basic ingredients. There's just the one ingredient that looks like it's an extract that you might not be able to get so easily unless you have like an international little food store or something like that around you. But I guess you probably could omit that and still make it's still a cupcake recipe. So we'll put that aside and we'll clear some of this stuff out of the way. And the first thing that I see, which I don't really see listed here, so okay, so this is, I have no idea how to pronounce this name, and this is 5.6 fluid ounces of coconut milk. I guess you probably need that in the recipe. I didn't think so, but let me just double check. Yes, for the tres leches cupcakes, it does say to put 5.6 ounces of coconut milk, and that's exactly what this is. So that's nice. So I guess they're giving you everything you need to make the that specific cupcake. Must be specific to the Philippines, which is nice. Oh, and I guess this is the, let's see what all these little things are here. They give you little, I would call them like pipettes, just from working in a hospital in the science field. So they give you 6 of these, and I guess this would be to get the extract out. So there's 6 of them. Oh, I cannot. So there's 6 of those. So I'm just going to put them there so I don't lose them. So then this is, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, I would say UB, but it's UBE flavor. And I have no idea what this would taste like. Doesn't really give you any. The print is so small on this. I have no idea of the flavor, like what kind of flavor profile that is. I mean, it is an extract, And it is in the cupcake. So, like I said, I don't know what the flavoring is, and I would assume that you would use these to, you know, put it in and draw out what you need. I'm trying to think how much is needed for the cupcakes. 1 teaspoon. I mean, you could use a teaspoon, but they give you, this is the box that tells you that it gives you everything you need. So if you need a specific tool, so they put those little things in to get the extract out. That's interesting. Let's see what this next thing is here. And this is from Boy Wang, and this is Cornick. And this is bigger, tastier, crunchy. This is, oh my lord, Lechon Manic flavor. I don't know what this stuff is. Curious though. The ingredients are fried corn, so it's probably some kind of, oh, like a fried corn. That's interesting. Maybe we should. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, I can't even open it. Oh, I cannot open it. Let me see if I can cut it. I have scissors right behind me. At least so I can tell you what, or show you at least what it looks like. Doesn't really have a smell. So it's just a little, basically, trying to pinpoint the taste. I mean, it's definitely, I mean, it says it's corn. It doesn't taste like corn. It almost tastes like Chex Mix. Like the seasoning and the flavoring like that you would get from Chex Mix. So that's, I'm not mad at that. I love Chex Mix. Okay, the next thing in here is, and this says UBE cake, and it says the Filipino food craze that is taking over the world. Ube is the Philippines purple yam, so you get a little cake. My dog keeps on jumping up on my leg. She knows there's food here. So this does feel like a little cake. I'm not going to open everything, obviously, because I don't want it to go bad. Because it says luscious oob flavor wrapped in a light, delectable sponge cake. I don't know if you can kind of see that on the package. That looks interesting. Okay. So then in here we have this, which I don't know. Okay, so this tells me here. This says, this is like a cookie, and this, the flavor says cashew. And it says, polvorons are a shortbread-style cookie made with powdered milk. These cookies started as a holiday treat in Spain, but now are a classic in the Philippines. And this has a cashew flavor. That's interesting. Feels, maybe there's 2 in there. It's soft unless it broke in half. Let's see, what are these? Looks like we have some candy. Yes, 2 pieces of candy. I would assume, yes, candy. I didn't see this on the paper, though. So it gives you, and it says Lanka candy, and this is a jackfruit candy. So here's the candy. I don't know what jackfruit is. Looks like some kind of a lemon lime type candy, but you got 2 of them. Oops, dropped both of them. I mean, I like candy, who doesn't? So there's 2. So I will give those a try. Also in here is, and this is a buttercream cracker, and this is ensaymada flavor. I have no idea about this. It says, crackers are a popular snack in the Philippines no matter what the age. These crackers have another Spanish twist with the flavor of ensaymada. I don't know what that flavor is, but it almost, I don't know if it looks like a little cinnamon sugar type thing. I mean, that's interesting to try. I mean, this is a great box just to, you know, try different things. And this is, these are pillows, ube or ube filled crackers. And that's these. And this is a delicious oob treat that tastes like cereal without milk. Well, that's interesting. And these just look almost like, oh my God, what is that? Like a wheat cereal. That's very interesting to try. So we got the cereal tasting pillows without milk. We have the oob extract to add into the cupcakes. We got the coconut milk. We got the oob cake, which is very interesting. I'll be curious to try that. We got the 2 pieces of candy. We got this other, and this was the shortbread style cookie. And there's probably one, and it probably just maybe broke in half. We have the buttercream crackers. Interesting. And then we have these like little corn treat things, which is still, I mean, they literally taste like Chex Mix to me. They're actually very good. So here it just gave you, you know, a little bit of the information. And the other item that's listed here on the sheet is only in the mini kit. So if you just got the snacks, you also got some kind of a drink. A Filipino lime type drink. So that's interesting. I know last month's box, I think, was from Hawaii. This is for June, obviously. So this is the Philippines. And I'm curious to see what country July will be. I like that they give a recipe to make a cupcake from that area. So, because this is a cupcake mixed with the classic Filipino purple yam paired with a Latin twist. I guess that's the tres leches part of it. I mean, that's all looks very, very interesting to me. I was curious about this, and when, you know, they were like, we can send you one to try out and see what you think, see what your viewers think. I actually think that this is a pretty neat box. So this is everything that's in the box with the recipe and then the card that tells you the country that the items are from. And I like that it gives you, if you want to make the cupcakes, it gives you what you need, the coconut milk and then the extract, and everything else is pretty basic, you know, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, melted butter, sugar, egg, a cup of buttermilk. Not too many people have that, but that you could, you know, get easily. And then, you know, your extract, because that would be kind of hard to get if you don't live near like an international store that you can, you know, buy that stuff. But I'm excited to try these other items. I definitely will try making the cupcakes, and I just figured out what these little, if you look at the picture of the cupcake, you can see on the right here, I'll put my finger to it, right here, you can see these. So I wonder if you fill this and then fill the center of the cupcake. Of course, I didn't read the ingredients. Yes, you can fill the pipette with the tres leche mix and squeeze it into the center so that you have a real, you know, you have like a center filled cupcake. That's very interesting. I mean, obviously I didn't read the whole thing, but I will definitely read that. I will post pictures of the recipe in case anybody's interested. And that's the video for today. And this is from Culture Cakes Kit. I find this box very interesting. I'd like to, you know, start to bring some new boxes to the channel, and some unusual and some that you would expect or that you might have seen elsewhere. This is definitely something that piques my interest because it is from different countries. And I know, you know, not every viewer that on here and other channels is from the United States. So they're from all different countries. So it's interesting to see items from countries all around the world. And if you're from the Philippines, I would love to, you know, hear from you, and maybe you could help me with some of these items, or if you've been to the Philippines that you know what some of these items are or taste like. Now I have both dogs here because they know there's food here. So I appreciate you all for watching, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.